This video is brought to you by Off-Brand Products and Aurora Lighting. Hey, how's it going everyone? Today we're gonna replace the HeadLight low beams bulbs on my Lexus GX470. Previously I was running the traditional halogen bulbs, and then I decided to go with LEDs. There is a lot of options, there is a lot of brands and all kind of stuff. So I went with cheap eBay, LED bulbs, and I was surprised because they used to perform pretty good on light, but they were made pretty cheap, so you get for what you pay. And I run them for maybe 2-3 months, I can't remember. So one day I was trying to adjust my passenger side headlight, and because they produce a lot of heat, all 3 teeth broke down. Now, one of the biggest complaints I have of those LED lights was the fan. That fan used to make a lot of noise. It's like it was constantly there. So with these new Aurora LED bulbs, bye-bye to that annoying ass noise. Yeah, they are fanless, and you're gonna see them on the video. So now let's keep going with the installation and unbox. Cheap eBay. They're a little bit better, brighter than the factory ones. As you can see, that one is the factory. Yeah, the one was here. I was trying to adjust the headlight, the teeth. The light still works, but yeah, we got something better by my sponsor, Off-Brand Products. You can go and check his website. He got a lot of lights, LED bars, LED pads, rock lights. You can use those as interior lights or indoor lights. So yeah, we're gonna be installing them pretty soon. One is the eBay LED, and the other one is the factory. So you can tell the color of these lights. Low beam, high beam. On this side is the factory halogen bulb, and this is the one used to be there. Use some eBay LEDs. They are pretty good. They are a little bit brighter than the stock ones. Anyways, it's better vision at night. So I was adjusting this headlight a couple days ago, and this thing just broke. It's plastic, and this thing, LEDs with fan produce a lot of heat. Also, they make a lot of noise. My sponsor sent me these badass LEDs. They are fanless, which is good, to save a lot of space in between if you don't have. Also, you don't want to have that stupid ass noise. I wish I could show you, but I already removed the battery. As you can see, I'm replacing my old battery. It's acting funny. It's been acting like that for more than a week, and this is my daily driver. So yeah, shitty battery. We're gonna get some good stuff right here. That video, I was doing 2 videos at the same time, guys. As you can see, I was replacing my oldest battery for this big brand new battery. I will be making another video with more details about it. So yeah, they look pretty good so far. I'm just gonna show you. Those are the Aurora LED pods. They've been doing great for almost 1 year. Also, I have the rear lights. I'm gonna leave the link of this video below on the description, and of course this other light. I don't have a battery. Sorry. So yeah, this is all by Aurora. They are good quality LED lights. Let's unbox this. Wow, look at that. Hallelujah. These things are nice. So you can bend this thing right here, whatever way you wanna, bend it, and you're not gonna have that stupid ass noise. And all this is aluminum, so you don't have to worry about breaking the teeth like whatever happened to this guy right there. And also comes with the driver. I believe it's called like that. Looks like a little amplifier, but my Lexus GX470 doesn't need that, because that one doesn't come with that, and I never had Christmas lights at my dashboard. But my previous vehicle was a 4Runner. I bought another set of lights like that. And boy, my dashboard was, you know, blinking everywhere, which is, you know, it's weird because it's basically the same vehicle, same engine, same transmission, same chassis, same, mostly a lot of stuff is the same shit. But this one, I mean, I didn't have that. But anyways, it comes with this, so you don't have to worry about buying this separately. And that goes hooked up to the light, and this one goes to the factory wiring harness. So I'm gonna do this real quick. So now this one is gonna go into the factory wire harness. But first of all, let me install the light. Alright, it is in there. Now I'm gonna be taking care of this after I install all this, so it'll look nice. I'm gonna put this behind this right here, and this is gonna snap in there. So it's there. That's it, guys. Plug and play. 3 simple steps. I'm gonna do the same on this side. You're gonna save a little bit of space, and like I said before, you're not gonna have the freaking annoying sound of, you know, this fan. So we're gonna do the same thing on this one. It's hard to do this with one hand, guys. I'll try to hide this somewhere here. Just like that. Nice. So now the same thing, all we have to do is just hook this in here into the harness. I'm gonna relocate this driver somewhere there. I'm gonna use some rubbing alcohol to clean the surface out of grease, dust, and all that kind of stuff. Then we're gonna use one of these squares, so you can see it, peel that and put it right there. I didn't pay attention, but they came with zip ties. I think it'll be big enough. So we're gonna run the zip tie like that, and that's gonna hug this driver. So I don't think it's gonna go nowhere. It's kind of loose because the strap is too small, and the gaps in between that square, you know, that's what is causing this. On this side, I guess I'm gonna mount it somewhere here. I can do that because the battery is taking all that space right there. The second one is mounted, so we got the same playing, you know, because, you know, the strap is so thin. But that thing is not gonna go nowhere. So yeah, we're done with the installation of these LED low beam headlights. So those are my high beams. I still have the halogen ones, low beams, high beams. Remember, this is the test at the trail. So just let me give you a little bit of a tease of the Aurora LED diffuse lights. So these ones, they're bright, but they spread the light everywhere. As you can see, they shine all the way around, like it's like 140-degree angle. So these lights are pretty good for, you know, for a trail. And those are the low beams, high beams, low beams. And these are my Aurora amber fog lights. Pretty good, huh? So back again to this. headlights perform on a regular road. As you can see, they are not bad. High beams, low beams. So there you have it, guys. It's been almost 15 days since I installed these H11 LED bulbs from Aurora, and they've been doing pretty good. Also, please subscribe to the channel because it's coming a 30-inch LED light bar. It's gonna be mounted on my roof rack. I'm gonna bring a video of that. It's gonna arrive probably tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, one of these days. But yeah, for sure that video is gonna come up pretty soon somehow. But I hope you like the video. Please share, like, comment to keep making possible this type of videos. And we're gonna go out pretty soon too on the trails. Actually, I have to edit a video about it's in Chattanooga, the monthly off-road Chattanooga. If you are from Tennessee, you might know probably what I'm talking about. I have to edit a video of that trip from last month. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.